Hello students, in this session we will learn about the arithmetic expressions in Java. So this arithmetic expression is a combination of constants, variables and operators, and these all things are arranged according to the syntax of a language. So let's see an example. Here we have variable and assignment operator and expression. So this expression will be evaluated from the assignment statement. So from this assignment statement, the expression will be evaluated. So here you can take the example x equal to a star b and minus c. So this is the example of any arithmetic expression. So here a, B, C are the variables and star this multiplication and subtraction are the operators. So from this assignment operator, the evaluation of any expression will start. So next we will see the precedence of arithmetic expression. So precedence is nothing but which operators have the highest priority. So here you just consider that arithmetic will not have any parenthesis. Arithmetic expression without any parenthesis will be evaluated from the left to right. So here we have two levels of priority, high priority and low priority. Multiplication, division and modulus operators have the high priority. Next, low priority is addition and subtraction. So just we will consider an example of a simple arithmetic expression without any parenthesis. So here we have the x equal to a minus b divided by 3 plus c into 3 minus 1. So here we have the a equal to 9 and b equal to 12 and c equal to 3. So we'll try to evaluate this arithmetic expression. So here, so we already know that multiplication, division and modulus operators have the high priority and subtraction and addition have the low priority. So whenever you found any multiplication or division or modulus operator in arithmetic expression, you need to evaluate that first. So just consider this expression x equal to 9 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 3 into 2 minus 1. So at the first step we will evaluate this division operation because this has the highest priority. Okay, 12 divided by 3 which gives us the value 4. And remaining things need to keep the same. Okay, so second step. So in this step you need to evaluate this 3 into 2, that is 9 minus 4 plus 6. This 6 is nothing but 3 into 2. So next step, step 3. So here we need to perform subtraction. 9 minus 4. So we need to start from the left only. So that's 9 minus 4 gives us a value 5. So next keep the remaining things same. 5 plus 6 minus 1. So step 4. So here you need to perform the addition of 5 and 6. That gives us 11 and keep the minus 1 as the same. At the last step we will get the value of x, that is 11 minus 1 gives us the value 10. So in this way you need to evaluate any arithmetic expression. So you need to keep one thing that division, multiplication and modulus operators have the high priority and subtraction, addition has the low priority. So next we will consider one more example with parenthesis. If expression contains a parenthesis, that parenthesis has the highest priority. So you need to evaluate the parenthesis first. So we'll consider this expression 9 minus 12 divided by open brace 3 plus 2 close brace into open brace 2 minus 1 and close brace. So this expression contains the parenthesis, and you need to evaluate the parenthesis first. The expression evaluation start from left to right. So we'll keep in the first step. You need to evaluate this parenthesis 3 plus 3, that gives us 6, and keep the remaining things same. 9 minus 12 divided by 6 into 2 minus 1. So in this step 2, you need to evaluate this parenthesis, that is 2 minus 1, which will give us the value 1. Okay, and next step. So expression evaluation start from the left, and you have highest priority for the division. The 12 divided by 6, which gives us the value 2. Okay, and keep the remaining things same. And next, in the step 4, you need to perform the multiplication of 2 and 1, which will give the value as 2. And the last step, you need to perform the subtraction of 9 and 2, and which gives us the value as 7. So like this, you need to perform the evaluation of any arithmetic expression. If the expression contains parenthesis, then parenthesis has the highest priority. So next we will discuss about the type conversion. So type conversion is nothing but it is a conversion of one data type into other data type or another data type. So here you can consider the example converting an int to float or converting a float to double. So here you need to convert. You need to keep one thing in mind, that you need to convert one data type into another data type from smaller to larger. So we cannot store the larger data into smaller type. It's not possible to store a smaller data type into larger data type. You can assign a smaller data value to larger data type value. You can convert a smaller data type value into larger data type value. That is nothing but type conversion. So type conversion is also called as the promotion of data, because we are converting one lower data type into higher data type. So this is reason the type conversion is also called as the promotion of data. So you need to remember one thing when you are converting one data type into other data type. So this is performed by the compiler. Okay, so type conversion is nothing but conversion of one data type into another data type. So here we are converting a smaller data type value to larger data type value. For example, into float, float to double. So here we will take an example. Here you can consider examples. So here we have the class test. So inside the main method we have integer value 100. So next we are converting this integer value to the long as well as float. So for that you need to assign this integer value to the long L equal to I. So this 100 will be assigned to the long. So here int is a smaller data type value and long is a larger data type value. So you can assign the smaller data type value to the larger data type. Okay, in the next line we are assigning the long data type value to the float, because long is smaller as compared to the float. So at the end we are displaying the values of integer, long as well as float. So here you will get the output as int value is 100, long value is 100, and float value is 100. Okay. So in this session you need to remember one thing, that so arithmetic expression is nothing but it's a combination of constant, variable as well as operator. So arithmetic expression evaluation always start from left to right. So if any arithmetic expression are without parenthesis, then division, multiplication and modulus operator has the highest priority as compared to the subtraction and addition. If any arithmetic expression contains parenthesis, then parenthesis has the higher priority. So type conversion is nothing but converting one data type into another data type. So here we are converting a smaller data type value to the larger data type value. Okay. Thank you, students.